ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 81, 2 input data tables. We dealt with 1 input data tables in the last lesson, Lesson 80, and now we're moving on. A 2 input data table is used to see how the results of a formula change as 2 of the input values are varied. For instance, as well as varying the interest rate of a loan, what effect does the length of the loan have on repayments? A 2 input data table needs inputs for both the row and column of the table. Okay, let's open the workbook Loan 2, which we saved at the end of last lesson. Make sure you have the loan amount in E8 as £50,000. Then select and delete the existing results which are in the range C12 to C36. It is important to note that part of a data table cannot be deleted. To delete a data table, the whole range must be selected. OK, cut and paste the cell C11 to B11. In C11, enter 120. This represents 10 years expressed in months. For the cell range C11 to G11, use the fill series. So, like last time, that's home, and then from within the editing group, fill, and then series. The step value we want to be 60, in other words 5-year intervals, that's 60 months, and this will fill in the top row of the table. Highlight the range B11 to G36, and on the Data tab, What If Analysis, and then Data Table. In this table there are 2 variable inputs, a row and a column. In row input cell, enter E6. That is the term of the loan. The column input cell wants to be E4. That is the interest rate as before. Click OK, and the table is instantly completed. We could do with formatting the table appropriately, so let's take the range C12 to G36, right-click, format the cells, and these want to be currency with a pound sign to 2 decimal places, then press OK. It is now possible to see at a glance how changes in interest rates and loan terms alter repayments. For example, the monthly repayment on £50,000 over 20 years, that's 240 months, at 5% is £329.98. As mentioned in the last lesson, this example uses the payment function, that's PMT, in the data table. But any function can be used as the basis for an input data table. OK, let's save the workbook using the same file name, that is Loan 2, and then close it. So we've discussed data tables. I'm hoping you find this a useful feature. Your job now is the revision exercise to test your understanding of this section, and that will be Lesson 82. After then, the next section will be section 17, which covers macros. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.